Sometimes we're online, but we don't want anyone to know. Whether you're hiding from friends or trying to avoid someone toxic, Instagram's green dot ruins everything. But today I'm going to show you a trick where you'll appear 100% offline even while you're actually online and no third-party app needed. This trick is hidden inside Instagram's own settings, but 90% of people don't know about it. By the end of this video, you'll be in full ghost mode, active, scrolling, even stalking, and no one will know. Step 1. First, open your Instagram app. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the 3 lines at the top right. Now go to the Messages and Story Replies section. This is where you'll find the Show Activity Status option. That's it. Now you'll be online, but look completely offline, total ghost mode. Bonus tip. If you turn this setting off, you won't be able to see other people's last seen or online status either. It's a give and take. But if privacy is your priority, it's totally worth it. If you like the video, don't forget to hit like and drop a comment on what privacy trick I should cover next. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Or next time you come online, I'll stay offline. See you in the next video. Until then, stay in ghost mode. Allah Hafiz.